Now in this question here we have is a bit different to the last two we've looked at. Okay, what we've got is we've got cos theta over 1 plus cot theta equals sine is equivalent to sine theta over 1 plus tan theta. Now it's not immediately obvious how we're going to change this into this. Okay, it's quite tricky to really see how it's going to happen because you want to get the top of the fraction, the numerator, into as sine theta. Well, what I'm going to do is just have a guess. I'm not really sure what to do. I'm going to try timesing throughout by sine theta to get a sine theta on the top and then see what happens. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the left hand side like I done previously. Neither one is more complicated than the other, so you can take either side. I'm just going to take the left hand side as cos theta, okay, over 1 plus cot theta. And remember what I said, I'm going to times top and bottom by sine. So cos theta times sine theta is cos theta sine theta. I don't know if this is going to work. It's just a gamble because I want a sine theta on the top, so let's put one on the top. Times that by sine to keep everything the same. So I've got sine theta times 1 plus cot theta. Well, we know that cot theta is 1 over tan theta. We know that tan theta equals sine theta over cos theta. So 1 over tan theta, we're just going to reciprocate this, so we get cos over sine. And see where that gets us. So this is equal to cos theta over sine theta. And then we get sine times 1 is sine theta. Sine theta times cos theta over sine theta is cos theta. Now, what am I trying to do? I'm trying to get to sine theta on its own on the top, and I've got this cos theta times too much. So why not divide top and bottom by cos theta now? So let's do that. If we divide the top by cos theta, we're just going to be left with sine theta and nothing else. So I must divide this by cos theta. So sine theta over cos theta plus cos theta over cos theta is just 1. And we can see I have tan theta here. Sine theta over cos theta, as I said before, is just tan theta. So we get sine theta all over tan theta plus 1, which is equal to the right hand side. So that was quite neat. So let's go through the strategy again. I didn't really see what to do. There was nothing immediately obvious, no formulas I could just shove in straight off. I don't know what cot theta equals, well, cot theta equals 1 over tan theta. I could have probably chucked that in and then written as a single fraction. Maybe that might have been an option. I think that would have got me the same answer as well. But I just gambled on, well, I want a sine theta on top, so times top and bottom by sine theta. Got there, and then I started to notice things here. I noticed if I divide this by cos theta, I actually did notice that in advance, that would give me tan. Divide this by cos theta, I get the 1, and hence how I got my strategy from there on. Main thing is when you're doing these questions, especially when you're learning and you can't really see them, try something and see what happens.